Okay, in this training, I'll show you how we can get this image done, okay, into this image. Yan, kung saan hati-hati siya, okay, and sakto yung mga pagkakahati natin sa mga bahay. Okay? So, first off, use the proper tools that is provided in the software. Okay. So you can zoom in. Yan. Okay. And iwasan mo na yung mga building na ay yung mga grounds. Okay? You can skip off the grounds already. Yan. Okay. Huwag mong diretsuhin hanggang sa baba. Make sure that when doing this, iwasan mo na yung mga ground parts. Yan. Okay. Yan. So iwasan mo na siya. Pero kung malaki yung ground part tulad dito, diretsuhin mo na siya muna. Okay? Kasi mapuputol yung gawa mo. Later on, you can just adjust or move mo na lang yung line. Okay? Yan. So, hanggang dito sa end ng block. Okay. Tapos, yan. Okay. So, follow mo lang yung mismong mga end ng building. Okay. Yan. Tapos, okay. There. So, nagawa mo na yung entire block following the outside shape ng mga building. Okay. Next na gagawin natin is cutting them properly. Okay. So, let's start off. You can start to a point here. Yan. So, cut na siya. Separate na siya from this line. Then next is same tool. Okay, so there. Cut na yan. And may mga dark areas, so make sure that you analyze the block if it's a ground or not. Okay? So let's see here. So cut first yung mga nakikita natin. Cut properly, guys. Yeah. And I had an error here, so I just need to click and drag. So this is a ground, so hindi ko na masyadong ginalaw, wala na masyadong adjustment because what I did is hindi ko na sinama when I did the entire block. Okay. Next. So I can see this building here. Kung nagkamali, Control Z, yan. So mawawala siya ulit, right? So, dito tayo. Yan. Okay. So there. Hindi na siya. Then next, with the tools that we have provided para ma-select mo to, click and drag mo using the split tool para ma-select mo siya. Tapos, use the split tool again. Okay, kung gusto mong dumiretso muna, yan. Kasi, okay. Then, what you can do, split again. And delete the unnecessary part. Yan. So, nakuha ko na yung top portion. Okay. Next, I have to do the other parts. And in this side, I'll cut this first. Yan, sinelect ko muna siya. Cut. Okay. Then, I have to remove yung ground area. So, ground. And ground again. And delete. Okay. So, there. Wala na siya. But this one, pasok. Okay. Next. This part, okay, you can delete it again. Since I'm not clicking close to a next building, okay. Yeah, so close. Then next, make sure you analyze. This could be a tree or a ground. So cut again, I select. Then okay. There. So exact shape ng building, exact shape ng building. Okay, next. So you can see, meron ditong part na puro ground lang. Okay. Then we have the building here and the building here. Yeah. So I'll split this first. Yeah. And then I will cut this or split. Yeah. So ito na siya. Yeah. Then next, as you can see, meron dito part na ground and part na building. So again, you can start here, select. Yan. Okay, so there's my building. Yan. The next, this part. So you can see this is also a building and another building here. Okay, so and the ground has to be removed. So what you can do, again, using the proper tools, there. And again, I can trim this kasi different na siya. So most probably magkasama tong part na to. Yan. So again, with the tool, select mo siya, tapos click, there, cut. Ito na lang, konti na lang. See? Okay. So there, konti na lang siya. Then cut here again. And so as you can see, it's slowly taking its form. But with proper practice, you can be much faster. Yeah. So again, this is the building, this is a backyard. So later on, we can also delete that part. There. There. And what's important, delete the unnecessary parts. Okay. Next. Make sure that you also cut properly, make the proper adjustments as necessary. Yan, tulad nito. Okay? So quality-wise, yan, nag-snap yan. Okay? So again, and we can see here there's a building. So if the building is already a bit separate, na nakahiwalay na siya, you can do it manually. And this one, there. And another house, then the next. So till here, there, there. And next. So there, slowly but surely. There. And the next building. So if you think the angle is not correct, just press backspace and do it again. There. Okay, just a few more. See? Okay, guys, just a few more. Next. So again, I'll select this. Cut it to place. And this one, I'll select again. So if you think it's not good, you can always repeat, redraw. Okay. Or again, another technique you can use. There. Then cut this into two. Yan. Okay. Next. The next is this one. There. Okay. Now, there are some parts which is ground. So, again, select this part. And you can draw it here. Now, as you can see this part, you can also adjust if necessary. Now, I have few parts left. So this one I can cut already from here. Alright. So if you need to adjust some points because you made an error, just do so. Okay. Now, again, with the proper tool. There. Sakto na yan. Oops. Again. There. I got it correctly. Now, for this part, again, as you can see, I can select this part. You can just trim here or again, select, trim, and then I can move this. Delete a point. So there you go. Next. So slowly taking into shape. Then last part, guys. Okay. Now delete the ground. And there you go. That's it. So we were able to achieve this look into this one. Okay, so again, go back to your training materials. If you have any suggestion or questions, don't hesitate to ask us.